everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Expeditions Volunteer quest from the NPC Backpacker for the prep phase of the upcoming Call of Fields event in Heartopia. So, first you need to complete the Coastal Notice quest on here, and then after that you can just unlock the Expedition Volunteer sign up by complete the quest from any, and after you unlock these states or unlock this Expedition Volunteer sign up, in here you will need to complete the quest from different town residents, and there are 9 quests in total to collect the approval. And then for this video I will focus on the backpacker quest. First, just head to the backpacker locations. His locations is on the forest, and then just talk to him like this, and then just accept the quest like this. Just tap on leave it to me, and then in here you just need to submit 10 branches. This one, just submit 10 branches like this, and then just click submit, and just like that you will successfully get the approval from the backpacker, and it will count to your expedition volunteer progress like this. You can see it, and then next you can just continue complete the another quest. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.